Hi everyone, welcome to this video. This is the second video of machine learning series, and it is about why do we use machine learning. Let's get back to the spam filter example. How would you write a spam filter? Let's say you want to create a spam filter to stop unwanted emails from getting into your inbox. There are two ways to do this: traditional programming and machine learning. First, you look at lots of spam emails and notice some common patterns. For example, spam emails often have words like "for you," "credit card," "free," and "amazing." You write a set of rules for your program to follow. If an email has certain words or patterns, the program marks it as spam. You test your program and keep adjusting the rules until it works well. If you do that, your program ends up with a long list of complex rules, making it hard to manage. Also, if spammers change their tactics, like using "for you" instead of "for you," you have to keep updating your rules. With machine learning, the computer learns to spot spam by itself. Here's how. You show the computer lots of spam and regular emails. It learns to recognize spam by finding patterns in the words and phrases. If spammers start using new tricks, like changing "for you" to "for you," the computer can detect this change by itself and adapt without you updating the rules. Now, why machine learning is better? The machine learning program is shorter, easier to maintain, and often more accurate. It automatically learns new spam patterns without needing manual updates. Also, machine learning is not just good for spam filters. It's great for very complex problems where traditional programming doesn't work well. Imagine you want a program to understand spoken words like "one" and "two." Writing rules for every sound and voice would be impossible. Instead, a machine learning program can learn from many recordings and recognize words, even in noisy places or different languages. Machine learning can also help us learn new things. By looking at the patterns the machine learning program finds, we can discover new trends and insights. This is called data mining. For instance, our spam filter can show us which words it thinks are most likely to be spam, helping us understand and improve our spam detection. So to sum up, machine learning can replace long and complicated rules with one simple algorithm. It can find solutions where traditional programming fails. Also, it can adapt to new data automatically and helps us understand complex problems and large amounts of data. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.